I kind of see that we have so much, we're almost being bombarded with a need to change. I think there's a really exciting time ahead to deal with that, but being cautious as well at the same time. It's we've talked about to an extent the challenges of the markets at the moment. I don't think that's gonna go away. So we need to be dealing with that. We've talked about carbon and the challenges that come with that. The other big discussion is AI. And I find that fascinating because I think sometimes people are in different camps. Some people kind of think, oh, this is crazy. This is not going to happen. And I think that's because the AI and industry naturally kind of almost oversells itself and looks a bit further into the future as a kind of, this is what it looks like, but we're kind of saying to you, this is how it is now. And that either scares people or says this isn't just going to happen. But for me, the reality is that tools of AI are out there. They're developing. Everybody's trying to learn about what that means. If you think it's not coming, it's already here essentially. From a very simple point of view, we talked about echo chambers. You look at something like LinkedIn and the algorithms it uses, and every time you look at somebody that's got an interest in carbon and you like the post and you repost something, and suddenly everybody's talking about carbon. You think, wow, everybody is talking about. So people are interacting with AI. The thing for me is that we need to understand what this can do for us in terms of helping with the efficiencies of what are very often through necessity, through margins, very lean teams on site. How can we help them? But thinking about competence and things, we don't want to just assume that AI is going to solve all the problems. People should be able to understand how to put together that project, that building, deliver it, or that design in the traditional means. They need to have that understanding, and they need to understand the risks that come with AI. But it does make for exciting times ahead, looking beyond 2025. And I think for the first time in my career, I feel that things have got to change. If organizations aren't considering and aren't responding to everything around this, there are lots of other organizations that will move in and take that forward. So I think that's really great in terms of moving forward and change for the industry.